Keep your most sensitive Notion pages locked down tighter than a drum, even though Notion doesn't offer native PAG-level password protection. Let's face it, sometimes you need an extra layer of security for specific information within your Notion workspace, while Notion itself doesn't have a built-in password feature for individual pages. We can achieve this through a clever combination of its sharing settings and a little third-party magic. First, navigate to the Notion page you want to protect in the top right corner. You'll see the Share button, click on it. Now, here's the crucial part to prevent unauthorized access through direct links. We need to ensure the page isn't publicly shared. Make sure Share to Web is turned off. For pages you want to share with specific individuals but still secure, you'll invite them directly here. However, this doesn't add a password to the page itself, just controls who sees it within your shared workspace. Since we can't add a password directly, we'll simulate it using a workaround. One effective method is to use a password-protected PDF. You can easily convert your Notion page content into a PDF. Simply select all the content on your page, copy it, and paste it into a new document in a word processor. Then, use an online tool or your word processor. Save options to password protect that PDF. When you need to share this information securely, you can provide the password separately via another communication channel. This effectively locks your Notion page content from anyone who doesn't have the password. This method ensures that your sensitive data remains confidential, giving you peace of mind within your Notion setup. Go ahead and secure those important pages.